If you want to learn more about how to polish your concrete floors, you can talk to our friendly experts at Concrete for Hire. Before casting new concrete, we strongly recommend that you hire a concrete builder who has experience in casting concrete that is suitable for polishing. A good entrepreneur should be able to advise you on the quality of the concrete floor and whether it is suitable for polishing. If you are trying to buy concrete polishes, make sure your freshly polished floors meet your standards. Non-ferrous concrete is a seal that prevents stains and easily washes them off, preserving the beauty and durability of architectural concrete. You can also seal the inner colored concrete to preserve it in its beauty, durability and structural integrity. If your existing concrete is in good condition, you can polish the surface to just above the standard. Not all concrete floors are suitable for polishing, as cracks in a polished concrete floor are difficult to hide. You should consider this before polishing an existing concrete slab that has cracks or stains. If you have problems fixing these problems, you will not spend the extra money until you can polish a new concrete floor. New floors require less work, which results in lower costs, and if you keep your household simple and protect the surface of your concrete slabs during construction, it is much easier to stick to your budget and time frame and get away with it than to forget about a beautiful, functional, polished concrete floor. In the meantime, you can make your concrete floor look like a tile, and that's done in the middle of polishing. You might just want to seal the existing floor or polish it to the level it is designed for. It can be stained concrete, so make sure you make it as clean as possible without cracks or stains on it. Diamond polished concrete floors can create beautiful mirrors like floors that require a minimum of maintenance. Almost any concrete floor can be polished as long as it is structurally sound, even if it is an old floor. Simple concrete can look stunning with its swirls and numerous shades of gray that become visible when polishing the concrete. Note: some concrete parts were coated with epoxy and the surface was punched or etched with decorative patterns or logos. If you are still wondering whether it is possible to polish a concrete floor, please note that no additive mixture is required for polishing the floor. This is particularly important for polished concrete floors. They can be retrofitted with a new floor that requires less work and is therefore cheaper. There are a number of concrete polishing machines that can be operated in the same way as other concrete floor products. If you are concerned about the safety of your exposed concrete floor, you can go to flooring companies that offer polished or sealed concrete. As it sounds, polished concrete is a slab of concrete that has been polished until a shiny